Mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. After that, to working. Look at what I am going to be doing. What you will do here is just to throw your hand and showcase this bottle. As you do that, you are going to stay like that for a few seconds. Just wait like that for a few seconds or few minutes. After that, now you are going to be dragging the bottle back. All right. Then at the end now, what you are going to be doing is to come closer and showcase this bottle to camera. After doing that, now you can now walk out. Okay. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Guys, welcome as we create another amazing video together. Click on CapCut here, new project now. All right, you want to import this your video to work space. Okay, look at that volume sign there like we normally do. You are clicking it as we silence the volume. Locate where you want the video to start. Before you enter the scene, click here and make a split. Delete this first part. Go and locate the point where you showcase the bottle. Then you wait. Go and locate that place. That is where we are going to be looking for now. So I will tell you the next thing we are going to be doing. Immediately you shoot out your hand, you wait for some few seconds. All right, at a point you are dragging your hand back. Just wait for a few seconds. As you drag your hand back, as you want to walk out from the scene, that is where we are going to be making a cut. Click it here and make a split here. Then look at this point here. Go and look for freeze. As we freeze this point, guys, locate freeze now. Freeze this point. Click on the first part and delete it. Click on the last part and delete it. Click this one and look for overlay. We are going to be overlaying it. Click on overlay now, drag it to the middle of the video. Then you are going to click it to expound it. After expounding it, we go and look for remove BG, guys. Locate remove BG, click on remove BG, custom removal. You can decide to reduce the size to 5. After reducing it, you mark on this brush here. All right, mark on brush now, as we are going to brush out the fire extinguisher can. Come down to make your brushing, but we don't want this video to be too long. We are going to be fast forwarding it, but come down and do your brushing so that your brushing will look neat. After doing the whole brushing, we are going to be marking on this good here to go back. So look at the result. So the next thing now is to drag this can and do our necessary adjustments so that it will be that immediately we shoot our hand, that is when this bottle is going to come out. So locate where you shoot your hand out, you drag this one to that point. After the whole thing, we are going to be clicking on the can bottle to crumple it, but locate the point of your hand. Immediately you shoot your hand out. All right, that is the adjustment you are making here. After all, we are going to be clicking on it. Then you crumple this can now, crumple it to make it equal with the one in your hand. After making it equal, we are going to be adding keyframe to it. All right, just do your necessary adjustments. Then you click on keyframe here. Look at keyframe, you adjust the video a bit, then you expound the can and position it at the position where you want it to be. After positioning it, we are going to be playing it to see this first part, what we have got. All right, play it. No, we have not gotten it. You can see that your hand and the video did not align, they did not rhyme. So come back, immediately you throw your hand, push this one to the point of that place, so that immediately your hand comes up, the bottle will shoot out. Good, look at it. So locate where you drag your hand back. Go and look for that part where you drag your hand ahead. At this point, you are going to be trimming the can. As you can see that is too long, so trim it. After trimming it, you locate where you drag your hand and add another keyframe. All right, locate where you drag your hand back, you add another keyframe, then you adjust it and crumple the bottle again, position it and make it to be the same with the one in your hand. After doing your necessary adjustment and everything, you are still going to be trimming the can to the key because you can see it's too long. So trim this can layer, trim it to this second key here so that it's going to play well. After which we are going to play it to see what we have got in the whole video. So watch it good. This is nice, this is nice. So allow your hand to drag back. Let's see whether we get that part too. This is good. So at this point we are going to be playing this video from the beginning. But guys, this video is ready. All right. So what you must not forget is to add your sound effect and every other effect. After that, you can export this video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those sounds and the rest. I want you to put me through. My number is at the description of this video. DM me, then I'm going to put you through. After that, you click on export now. Then you export this video to your gallery. As you can see that the video is exporting. Just exercise patient. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. Now tell us your opinion as you share it to your social media handles. Tell us your opinion about the video. If you have any magic effect or CapCut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. All right, if you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Don't forget to smash your like button if you love what we are doing. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing videos. See you in our next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.